Shahida. Aina Sunia. Peruta Fita. Nini. Enesusata. Perusa Hila. Every sound is a weapon in the spirit. Do you understand that? Every sound unlocks a creature. Angelic creatures are unlocked by different diverse tongues. That's why one of the gifts of the Holy Ghost is diverse kinds of tongues. Not diverse tongues, diverse kinds of tongues. For instance, if I speak my language to you right now, it will come as a sound, but you won't understand it. But people who have been tuned to make a meaning out of that sound will know what you're saying. So some sound we're making may not make sense to you, but it's not your language. It is languages of other creatures awaiting your instructions in their coded language. What's the name?
Jerome.
Bia? What?
Jerome.
Jerome. Jerome Bia?
Jerome.
Jerome Bia?
Jerome.
I'm speaking my language to him, but he didn't know exactly what I was saying. For him, I said Bia, he said Jerome. Bia, Jerome. But there is an Igbo man watching me now that knows what I was saying. You know what I'm saying? Come. Are you Igbo? Come here. What did I was saying?
Come.
Now, between this creature and this creature, I said Bia. He didn't do anything. But this one that was tuned and coded to understand the language will respond. So when you say Farus and Int, Perahind, Ekrisand, Peruavaha, et Ankan Us Unetea, you are not talking to a man. You are talking to living angelic spirit creatures. Ah! And that's why when you got born again, Jesus gave you new tongues. He said in Mark chapter 16, verse 17, in my name you shall speak with new tongues. Not new tongue, new tongues. Tongues, new tongues. Hey, run away from churches that want to run with one verse that Apostle Paul wrote. Because Jesus didn't say nothing about keeping quiet in church. It was Paul's frustration and anger for no order in the church. If tongues were to be restricted, it would have been given from the beginning. It was the report that the elders of the church was writing, that there is a lot of chaos, no structure, no order. They wrote Apostle Paul. So Apostle Paul, in his apostolic authority, wrote and said, let them keep quiet if they can interpret. So the whole church now runs with it. Goodbye. It's not true. Jesus said, in my name you shall speak with new tongues. And when the Holy Ghost came, they began to speak in other tongues. Both the Holy Ghost tongue, angelic tongues, human tongues. Languages they never learned, they didn't know about. By the Holy Ghost, they began to speak all languages. Tonight, diverse tongues are coming into your belly. Shaina!